welcome back to my channel. So today I have a guest.
My name's Ava.
So Ava. And today, can you shut the door?
They're very nice.
Sorry guys, background noises. So today we are going to be doing the squishy challenge. We have a bunch of squishies. I mean, like, guys, do you consider this a squishy? Do you? Do you not? I don't, but I feel like it is a squishy because you can squish it. So yeah, it did have like a net on it, but then they took it off. So anyway, okay. Anyway, we're going to be doing the squishy challenge. Do you guys know what the squishy challenge is? If you don't, then we're going to tell you what it is. Would you like to subscribe? Would you like to would you like to tell them what it is? Like how do you play it?
Me?
Yes. What do you want, or do you want me to?
I want you to.
Okay. So, how you play is we would have a blindfold on and guess, like, I know the squishy. I know it's the coffee, but say I was feeling it and I was like, what squishy is it? And we get points if we guess it right or if we guess it wrong. But we don't have blindfolds, so we're just going to keep our eyes closed, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, do you want to go first? Because you're my guest on the channel?
Okay.
So, she's going to close her eyes. I'm going to mix all these up. Close your eyes. She's closing her eyes. I'm mixing them all up. I'm going to show you down here, like, look how much I have. Some I think will be a little obvious, but we're going to. I'm going to give you two squishies. You're going to just feel one, and then you can be like, okay, that's the one that I'm going to go for. Okay. Go. So it's like right in front of you somewhere, and just put your hands down. And you guys are going to see it. Pick one squishy.
This one.
Okay. What is it?
The cake?
What cake? Close your eyes though. A cake?
A cake.
Okay. It's... Open your eyes. Guys, it was not the cake. Dang it. This was the cake. This is a pie.
It's close.
She was close. I like how she was guessing it was the cake, because, like... Okay, but anyway.
They both have strawberries.
I know. But it's... So, now... My turn?
Yeah.
Okay. Mix them all up for me. So move them over there. Not looking, guys.
You don't do the donuts.
What?
You forgot the donut.
By the way, this is all my squishies I have. Like, some people have, like, 29.
You definitely don't 29.
I don't.
Okay, ready? Take a squish.
Right in front of me?
No, they're right here. Yeah, now they are.
I'm going to take this one. I know what this one is.
Yeah, but it's really easy.
It's coffee.
Yep.
That was right.
Okay, you turn.
I'm going to move my camera.
This mermaid one's not very good.
Yeah, okay, guys. This one is so stiff. Don't get it. I got it with a pack, but the other two were so nice. It was so cool. Because my dogs ate my mermaid squishy, so it came with a pack of these. And then I traded one with my friend, which I'm sad about. That was a cactus, but it's fine now. No, it wasn't a cactus. It was a pineapple. Yeah. Because I get things mixed up like pineapples and things.
How do you get messed up with a cactus and a pineapple?
Because I'm weird. Tell me down below, guys. Do you guys get mixed up with pineapples and other things? Or do you guys get mixed up with something?
I do, but not with I do, but not with pineapples and cactuses.
Okay, close your eyes. I'm going to mix all these up.
They're in
No, wait. No, they're not in front of you. Yeah, I'm thinking. Okay.
They're in front of me?
Mm-hmm. I only put a 1.
The donut?
Yep. There's 2 donuts though, so I should have asked next time what donut.
The big one, the small one.
Big one or small? This one has a keychain, which is pretty cool. This one's just blue frosting with sprinkles. So it's really nice. I thought you were gonna think it's the cake if you thought like that, but you put your hand through. So don't play with that though. This one pops, guys. Do not pull this thing or it will pop. So, all right. Your turn. I'm gonna shut my eyes.
Okay. I gave you 2 options. They're right in front of you.
This is the one. I know what both these are.
I know, just pick one.
You keep doing this one. Mermaid.
Oh, yeah.
Stiff mermaid, guys. I
Oh,
feel like this one's going to be easy because it's the stiff.
It's the stiffest one of them.
I feel like if we do this and something else, they're going to guess it because we know the texture. We should have not felt these before we did them. Or we should have got like totally new ones and other people have been a part of this. But no, we're not. They're not.
Okay.
So,
Your turn. My turn.
okay, your turn. Your turn? Oh, my turn to mix them all up?
Yeah,
I just went. It's your turn.
Yeah, I just mix them all up.
For me, so it's your turn.
Yeah, and you're going to mix them all up.
I know.
So it's your turn.
So, guys, I'm going to do something.
Try closing your eyes.
Close your eyes. It's going to be a little bit different. Go.
The one for me?
Yeah.
This one. It's coffee.
But look what I also did. Anything that I picked. And then I was just holding this one because it's so squishy. I love this one.
Okay.
Slow rising for you guys. You know slow rising is like the best. Okay.
Coffee's still rising.
Okay. I wish I got a Frappuccino, guys. I think it was...
Coffee's pretty good.
That's like fireworks, guys. It's not thunder and lightning. Because it's Labor Day. Happy Labor Day. Okay. So, my turn?
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to close my eyes. I'm just holding this one because it's so bad.
Okay.
Do you want to have this or no?
Yeah. Okay, they're ready for me.
Panda, and this is the whale.
It's a whale with a horn.
Oh. No, it's not a whale.
Walrus. So
You called it a whale, so. I was like, okay. Sorry about background noises. Parents, friends, family, people. Okay, so. I'm going to do your turn, and then I think we're going to be done with it. Then I think I'm going to do it a little hard. Close your eyes and close your ears. Can you hear me? Say hello if you can hear me. Say hello if you can hear me. Okay. Keep your eyes closed and your ears, okay?
Yeah.
And did you hear me say hello if you hear me?
No.
Okay. Close your eyes. Okay. Go. Something in front of you. Feel it.
I remember seeing this in the box where your squishies were. It's like that little your stress ball.
Nope.
I don't know what it's called.
If you can tell me what's inside of it, then I will answer. Is that a yes?
Play-Doh?
No. Open up your eyes. Guys, inside of this is clay.
Close.
Magic clay. Okay, well, anyway, I'm sorry. That's what I did at the end. Tricked you. So, anyway, if you liked today's video, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you, I'm going to actually lift this up a little bit. Anyway, if you guys like this video, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. And put on that notification bell so you get when my videos come up in your feed. And ready? We're gonna do peace out. Peace.